Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the lecturer vacancies notification from the multiple colleges, and here from multiple subjects also the vacancies are announced, and here the teaching as well as the non-teaching vacancies are also there, and the candidates who are having the only graduation, only post-graduation, UGC-NET and the PhD. So all these different categories opportunities are covered in this video, and here there is no application fee and no written examination for the selection process. Okay, so based upon their scrutiny, directly you may go for the interview. If your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different colleges recruitment notifications. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link. Then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGC-NET online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video, so the first one here we are going to see is a Sri Arvindar Arts and Science College from Vannur TK. Wanted the assistant professor in the commerce, maths, physics, chemistry, computer science, business administration, English, MSW, okay, and in assistant professor. And here the contact is also given, and the interested candidates may send your resume to this provided mail ID, that is mail@arvindar.com. If you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you may put your query to this mail ID itself. So for these positions, I think only post graduation is enough, but you better send one mail or else a resume to this provided mail ID. And coming to the next one is Saint Francis Xavier Degree College, affiliated to the Usmania University from Hyderabad, Telangana. And here the contact numbers as well as the email IDs are also provided here. Wanted principal and faculty in the subjects of commerce, economics, faculty for BBA, mathematics, electronics, computer science, statistics, English, Sanskrit, Hindi, Telugu, librarian, and the physical director. And the qualification is PG, postgraduate with minimum 55% of marks, and well qualified and effective teaching skills will be rewarded with the good remuneration. And apply within a week with a detailed resume to the secretary or the correspondent. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact this number, guys. How to apply, what is the procedure, or else simply by sending the resume to this provided mail ID, it will be enough. Okay, so once contact them to get all these details very clearly. And apart from the teaching positions, here the non-teaching vacancies are also there in the administrative officer, accountants, and the computer laboratory assistant, and a DTP operator, office assistant, and the receptionist. Okay, so to apply these positions, if you are having only post graduation with 55% in these departments, then you may apply for these positions, guys, because they clearly mentioned, and UGC-NET or the PhD is not at all necessary for this positions in this college. And coming to the next one is a Sri Vasavi Engineering College, okay, affiliated to JNTU Kakinada from Andhra Pradesh. Walk-in interviews are conducting on the 23rd and 24th, okay, 2 days of this month. And in the departments of civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics and communication, computers, and physics, chemistry, and mathematics, assistant professor vacancies, and eligibility are the qualifications as per the ACT and the UGC norms. So interview date is 23rd and 24th, Saturday and Sunday morning 10 o'clock onwards. So pay scales, high starting pay can be provided to the candidates who are deserving and who are the most suitable one. So candidates are informed to bring their latest resume, original certificates of the qualifications, experience, and one set of Xerox copies of certificates, and the project work of their UG or PG, and a passport size photograph. Okay, so you have to take all these things directly to this on these dates for attending the walk-in interview. And here the contact number is also there, 9440072234. So if you're having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact that number. Fine. And next, BPIT, it is Institute of Technology approved by ACT, Government of Delhi. Applications are invited for the post of assistant professor, associate and professor in the School of Business Administration with a specialization in the field of finance and the HR. Qualification and experience as per the ACT and UGC norms. Net qualified candidates having MBA and PhD from a reputed institute with research publications in internationally reputed index journals will be preferred. And whoever the interested candidates are there, so the interested candidates may send your resume before 15 days at the provided mail ID. So two mail IDs are provided here, chairman@bpitindia.com and recruitment.bpit@gmail.com. Okay. And coming to the next one, Sacred Heart College of Arts and Science. Okay, it is affiliated to Madurai Kamaraj University. And here the mail ID is also provided. So walk-in interviews are there for the assistant professor vacancies in the departments of Tamil, English, Commerce, Chemistry and Computer Science. Qualifications as per the UGC norms, and the walk-in interview date is 23rd October 2021 morning 9:30. Venue is the college itself. And here the contact number is also provided. If you are having any queries regarding this walk-in interview, then you may contact to that number. Okay. And coming to the next one is SLS Aira Vaishyar College. So from Madurai, and here also the contact number is provided. So wanted the lecturers in commerce, qualification as per the UGC norms, and office clerk also required. Typing in Tamil and English, computer knowledge with Tally is required. Interested candidates may send your biodata to this provided mail ID. So I think this mail ID is visible. SLS MAV MMAVC 25@gmail.com. Okay. And coming to the next one is, so it is Tulas Institute. Okay. So the Department of Computer Science, Civil and Graduate School of Business and Department of Agriculture. So assistant, associate and professor vacancies are there in the departments of College of Engineering, Computer Science, Civil, Mechanical and Graduate School of Business, Marketing, Human Resource, Department of Agriculture and Forestry, Entomology, Agronomy, Food Science and Forestry. Okay, so coordinator IQAC is also required, and the qualifications as per the ACT norms. PhD candidates will be preferred, but if you don't have the PhD, then no problem. With only PG also you may apply for this one. So interested candidates can send the resumes on career@tulas.edu.in. Fine. So these are the different recruitment notifications from the multiple colleges and the multiple departments, guys. So interested candidates may apply to this one, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, then you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means Commerce and General Paper on Teaching, Management, Computer Science and Application, Political Science, History, Economics, Practice and Strategy, Sociology, Labor Welfare, English, Language and Education, Geography, Law, Hindi, Psychology, Public Administration, Electronic Science, Environmental Science, Home Science and Philosophy, Tourism, Admin and Management, Mass Communication and Journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and Anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys.